Mariann Király from Vision Components. Here I have a live demonstration of our VC Nano 3DZ laser triangulation sensor. Running inside is the Zinc SoC from Xilinx with dual core ARM processor and integrated FPGA. The unique feature about this product is that the 3D point cloud calculation is done directly on the FPGA, processing lots of data with no delay. And so, thus, the processing power is left open for application tasks. And to demonstrate this for you, right now I'm getting the profile of this bent business card, which you can see. Right here on our graphical user interface called Smart Shape. You can look at the sensor image, analyze data, measure angles, look at the profile, generate the 3D image as well. For more information, please visit our website at vision-components.com. Thank you.